MsiDigitalSignature Table. The MsiDigitalSignature Table contains the signature information for every digitally signed object in the installation database. The MsiDigitalSignature and MsiDigitalSignature tables are available starting with Windows Installer version 2.0. Windows Installer version can use digital signatures as a means to detect corrupted resources. Windows Installer 2.0 can only verify the digital signatures of external cabinets, and only by the use of the MsiDigitalSignature and MsiDigitalSignature tables. Beginning with Windows Installer 3.0, the Windows installer can verify the digital signatures of patches by using the MsiDigitalSignature and MsiDigitalSignature tables. For more information, see Guidelines for Everything Secure Installations and User Account Control Patching. The MsiDigitalSignature table has the following columns. Columns table with the Windows Installer version 2.0, the entry in this field must be media for the media table. The installer only verifies the digital signatures on external cabinet media entries. This column and the Sign Object column together specify the resource that is digitally signed. Sign Object a foreign key into the primary key of the table specified by the table column. This column and the table column together specify the resource that is digitally signed. Digital certificate a foreign key into the MsiDigitalSignature table. This identifies the certificate that must exist on the file for the associated action to succeed. The resource is always required to match this certificate in the MsiDigitalSignature table. Hash in this field, enter the reference hash of the resource that is to be checked against the actual hash of the resource obtained at runtime. If only the certificate needs to be verified, the hash field may be null. Note that the format of the hash depends on the type of the resource being signed. The hash column contains the binary representation of the hash. The actual content is the PBDATA member of the crypt hash blob structure, which is part of the cryptopy blob structure. This may be obtained by calling wimverifytrust or MsiDigitalSignature. Validation IS03, IS06, IS29, IS32, IS66, IS81 Related topics, MsiDigitalSignature table. Digital signatures and Windows installer.